Hello guys, so we are at the Changi Jewel airport today. So here we are, basically there are Christmas decorations and the waterfall is there. So this is the very famous waterfall that people come to cover. So maybe we'll go inside a little bit and try to cover that. We'll go down and see that what are there. There are other attractions also, like walking on the nets and all. So we'll just go down. I think it's on the level 1 or level 0. Okay. This is for the going inside, for the departure and all, for the flights. And when you talk about the attraction, I think somewhere there. So just go and see. Yeah. So I'll just try to show them the ticket and I'll try to go inside. So this is the new. Yeah guys, so we came on the 5th floor because I think the ground floor was a different arrangement for the customers of the Changi Business Park only. This one for the jewel, whatever is the customers who are buying, right? Based on that only we are able to enter. But now the ticket which we bought is for the Canopy Park. Is the entries from here. So we'll just try to proceed it. Thank you. Yeah guys, so we came in the Canopy Park now. Okay, so just walk through. So they have a different entries actually. Okay, like Canopy Bridge is there. Okay, where you get the entry for see from the bridge. Okay, but this is something called as Canopy Park. Okay, so this is Canopy Park, and I think 3 different entries they have made for different views. So the ticket which we have purchased is for the Canopy Park. Okay. Okay. It's scary, man. I thought this is water. Oh, this is indeed water actually. You cannot walk in this. Be very careful while shooting actually. You don't land up somewhere where you should not actually. It's a very nice ambience, eh? So I'll just go to this one. So this is the famous waterfall that everyone talks about. So So we have a next music show. That will be a music show. I think next one is at 8:30 p.m. The first one will be 7:30 p.m. There is some walking on the nets facility. I'm just checking where it is. I think they have some additional decoration for Christmas. There's some foggy bowls. Okay, this is for the kids, maybe probably for the kids. That's a very smart they, for making money it's a good effort actually. So for this one also we have a different park actually. If you see, there are different attractions walking by the net, and different entries have been made. Ideally we will have only one entry for any attraction, but this one they have 3 different attractions to come in. I think I have the entry for this one also, walking on the net, but mostly I think the kids will enjoy it. I am already 38. For me, what I will do. So this one is some petal garden. I think mainly is the music show that will happen for the waterfall. So we have to cover that. That will be around next show is around after half an hour. So maybe I have to pause the video and then later on continue. I think this one is mainly because of the Christmas only. Okay. There is a restaurants out there. You just go inside and just try to explore, give you a closer view of this Christmas decoration. For photography it is good actually. For video, I have the entry, and since we have the entry, we can still go and check. I think this is jumping by the nets, and there is something walking on the nets. I don't know. Different entries. But it's okay. It's a nice place to spend the evening. We can come with the family, and if you like to dine, there are restaurants facing the waterfall, and you can enjoy the music show. Okay. We should have some space, place to sit actually. So, Manu Bhai walking. See, this is Manu Bhai's jumping nets. I have a entry to like bouncing nets. Manu Bhai bouncing nets. I have an entry to walking nets. I think that's somewhere there, in the middle. I think this is the main place what people carve for. Okay. The waterfall. I think they have closed the entry now. I think these guys are smart. They closed the entry because there was an entry to go downstairs. But now, for a closer view, they have come up with a different plan for a different customers. I like that, the way they are planning the things right. Oh, they have a place to sit actually. That's what I was looking for. Okay, good. Oh, Discovery slides. I don't know. I think I have the entry to the Discovery slide. Just let me look my ticket. I'll just pause the video for now. So this is some different view from a different location. I think this is when the light show starts. This is the best location to capture. But you have to be very careful with the camera. Okay, well, once the light show starts, I will come back again. There is still time for the video shoot, the lighting actually. There is the music show that will start right. That for the waterfall. That will still we have time. So I'm just trying to cover the nearby areas. Okay. The restaurant what we have here. Okay. And this bridge is also a good view actually. And I'm not sure how to go to the bridge, whether it's chargeable or. So, this is for the Christmas only, specifically. Okay, we'll just go down and try to cover the other shops over there. Yeah, this is also one of the attractions they have, like Changi Experience Studio, where I think you can go inside and they give you the history of the Changi Jewel Airport, and I think they have a different separate ticket for this one. He's feeling shy or something. Oh my god, a big baby. I didn't knew that parents can also sit. I never knew that. Oh, oh god. Oh, the queue is for. Oh, the queue is for this restaurant. Yeah. So this is the again the waterfall. I think that waterfall is the main attraction only that people come here. So I must tell you guys, the vlogging has given me some extra mile of confidence. Okay. First, just to start with, you have to get out of your comfort zone. Okay. You feel very awkward, but once you decide that you have to do it, then that's it. Once you do your first vlogging, you will get that extra level of confidence, and then we can start from there. We'll just go downstairs now. Fine. This is something different, Line Bridge. Okay. Oh my gosh, a good smell, yeah. Yeah, I'm just finding, try to see some good place for dining actually. But I'm afraid I will miss my music show that is going to start if I. Oh, they have some So they have closed, huh? Smart guys. From here we can get a closer view, but the view has been closed actually. Now. Few homes. Okay. Food locker. Food locker. Food locker is also a good franchise. I think this is very famous in Singapore. The sake sak. Yeah guys, I think I'm done with the the coverage of around Jewel almost. There is one more second floor. I think ground floor is there. Let's see how to go there. But it will be pretty much the same shops. So I will just try to cover the music show at the end actually. Looking for any coffee shop, but if I'm not getting it, I will just, once I return to my house, I will have it somewhere. This is actually for the travelers. I think you can see the passengers coming from the this car is there. I will buy you one day for sure. I hope so. It's a Porsche car actually. Actually, I wanted to visit inside, I think, but they told this one is for the only for the customers who have bought the from this from the Jewel Airport. If they bought anything, right, for them only there's entry there. Okay, so I'll just go to the Kenobi Park again and we'll just try to cover the music show and then we'll end our vlog for today. Thank you guys. Guys, we have a Mirror Haze something entry also. So we are just checking what is it. Okay, I think there is something called as Mirror Haze. We have a 3D mirror view inside. So I will just go inside and check what exactly it is. Okay, so I think that lady will help us with the entry. Then we can just experience it and come outside. Starting our Mirror Haze. Okay, so you see the 3D effect, right? Okay, thank you. So they have given us this one, the some thermocol. This because being inside, right, it is very difficult to find out. So they have given us this thermocol thing. Okay, so we can just use this thermocol to find a way. Oh my god, this is a good experience actually. Okay, but you need some partners to come here and enjoy it. Oh, this is a nice experience, yeah. Oh. I think this cost me around $10 for the ticket, but I think this is a really good experience, guys. Okay. See? I'm just using this thermocol stuff to make sure I'm going on the right side. I think I understand the pattern. There is a pattern for everything, but I think I got the pattern for it. So yeah, see. But this is not easy, huh? Let me tell you, this is not easy. You might get hurt yourself. Oh, I think I found the exit very easily. Oh my god, this is too easy for me. Within 2 minutes, I don't want to go out. I'll purposefully find. I'll try to spend some more time. Maybe I'm too lucky to find a. Oh my god, I was supposed to bang myself to find it right away. So. But it's okay, like, you know, for the kids it's a good experience. Okay, it's a one-time experience. So this guy, you might be knowing it, he's very famous celebrity, Mr. Abdul Hafiz. Oh my god. Now this is a tough one. Now I've lost the way. See? Oh God. Oh, I think somewhere here only. Oh God. Now how to find? I think it was somewhere here. Okay, I think so. We have somebody coming in. I think found a way now. Ah, no. Oh yeah. I think I can see something. Yeah. Where it is? Yeah. See. Now I got the way. See? I think that's it. That's it. Okay. Where is the prize? Where is the prize, guys? Where is the prize? What did I win? Oh. Madam. Okay, I think I'm out now. I'm done. So, and no one for the exit. Thank you. Any prize? Any prize I won? Thank you, madam. Gardens by the way, I think. think yeah, the show is done actually. I think finished. I think. I think that is pretty much of a Jewel Airport. So people who are not actually traveling and they want to spend a good evening ride with their family, they can come here. Okay, there are main is the waterfall and the light show. Don't miss the light show actually. Okay, and there is a mirror haze actually. I've covered in mirror haze, so you cover that mirror haze also with the family. Okay, so that's all. So that's it, guys. We'll catch up with the next vlog. Thanks. Bye.